What's going on? It's your boy, Case Plays here, back with my second video actually. This video is the same video as last time, but different stuff, I guess you can say. Let me just check here. I'm not going to be opening up anything because that's going to destroy the video, so can't do that. Let's play another quick play match. Oh, this guy's wrecked. Oh, he has the Illuminati on him. Somebody get this man out of here. Illuminati confirmed. Somebody call the government. Okay, win that match. Turns out I'm not going to be using out my camera for a while until I can get it approved yet, so I'm not going to be using my camera. I'm only going to be doing gameplay videos of this, so yeah. Gang fights? Let's go for... I still can't retry yet. I still can't. Dang it, dude. Dang it. Yeah, so I'm gonna be finding a guy who I could use like a bunch of these guys on. So wait, that's too close. Yeah, this is the one. Boom, and where is it? And, where is it? I can't find it. I just scroll all the way down to here. Boom. Yep, and now it's time to battle it out on the arena. Yeah. I just want to give a shout out to Crash Turbo Arena thing. Yeah, I just want to give a shout out to this game. Shout out to this game for being such a good game. Oh, buddy got clapped. Okay. Alright. Yeah, sorry if this thing in the middle is moving around a lot. It's just, it keeps on interrupting everything here, so. Yeah, it's a bit hard. It's a bit hard to play. Let's see here. Can you beat me? Yes, you can. I just died to somebody with only 51. Oh, gosh. Oh, looks like it's time to come in with the change. Wheels. Boom. Boom. Now should I be able to fight? Yes, I shall be able to fight. There's my answer. Yeah. I mean, this video is gonna be like not too long or anything, cause don't want to make it too long. Am I right? Yeah, I've just found 4 of those, so that's a good thing. Yeah. Excuse me. Oh yeah. So, also you guys, the editing and everything for these videos takes a lot of time and everything, so. Also, when I upload one of these videos, it takes down the Wi-Fi. You cannot survive without Wi-Fi. So, please show some support in the comment section below. Holy. You know what, I'm just gonna FBI open up one of these guys right here. What the heck is going on? Ooh. Yeah. Let's do another quick play video. I should win this guy. Holy. Sonio, whatever his name is. You trash, boy. Pardon me. Anyways, that's not it for the video yet, guys. There's still 1 more hour left, which means 1 more hour of me about to unlock stage 6. It's almost time, guys. It's almost time.
Why do you take sugar in your tea instead of black coffee?
Anyways, let me see how much damage. Holy, this guy is going to mess him up. Holy. And yeah. Also, do not forget to subscribe to PewDiePie. You just need to subscribe to him. We cannot let him lose. Who even likes T-Series? Not me. Holy. Because T-Series is trash. And yes, I am a part of the T-Police, which stands for anybody who is subscribed to T-Series needs to go. Just needs to go and subscribe to PewDiePie. And yeah. So, please show just spam the PewDiePie for the win in the bottom section below, comment section below. I'm so sleepy. I can't sleep because I'm so sleepy. Holy man. I must have been missing out on half my life. That's a really good weapon. Which means good weapons equals me having to use them, so. 77, yoink. Boom. Let's check this out. Maybe not such a good idea. Maybe not such a good idea. But what is a good idea is to upgrade okay then. I can't do that. I'm gonna see if I actually did anything good here. So let's see here, guys. Okay. Definitely did something good. Definitely did something good there. That is just like instant killing everybody now. Ooh, I don't want to skip him. I never wanted to skip him. Okay then. I am doing so well. If I beat one more guy, then I'm going to be very surprised. Fiji. Shoutouts to Fiji for almost, Fiji for almost killing me. I say Fiji on my wrist. Now let's fight off everyone. Deekster. Lost that first battle, but who cares? Gotta come back with this one. Not coming back with that one. Come back with the second one. Told you so. Gonna come back with this, not this one. How about that? Not gonna come back with this one or this one. Nor this. No, actually, maybe this one. Yeah, I got this one. That's 2 wins. Even though there's even though this is fight 7, 3 wins. I said VG on my wrist. Chris, you killed me again. I am just giving people money right now. That's my plan. That's a plan right there. Is to have fully. Yeah, fully. Well, I say fully. I mean this. By fully, I mean really good weapons. How did it go? I mean by using the diamond sticker. No, actually not by using the diamond sticker. Put the diamond sticker right there. Diamond minecart, you already know it. Oh yeah, I got a perfect spot for this. Money, 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 money. Now let's see if I can defeat anybody else in here. Hey, that's actually not that bad. I got a close-up weapon, far-range weapon. That's not that bad. Maybe if I beat everybody else here, I can get promoted to the next stage. Stage 6. How the heck was I not shooting at him? That gives me very concerning feelings. I need to upgrade his HP. Shoot. How? Jix, whatever that's called, has been destroyed. 3 fights out of 8. Boom. Wrecked. Shout out to Chris. I've already beat you like 81 times. Holy crap. No! Well, on that note, this is a terrible part to end it off, but hope you guys have a good day. Stay awesome. And good. Bye. Good.